Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This is from Eugene Kwan, which means it's from the Pass-Around group, so by extension, the manufacturer. I have no idea what's in here. I can never remember, but we're going to find out together. Thank you so much to all of my generous patrons for continuing to support me. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, there is, of course, a link down in the description. Get your hands on some stickers and some other cool stuff. The support would mean the world to me. Another PM2 unboxing today until we elect the new dedicated unboxing knife. As usual, you can check that knife out along with many other Spydercos in the Spyderco section of the Amazon store that I reference at the beginning of every video. We have a Wee knife here. Let's just, I don't even want to turn it and look. I know you guys know because of the thumbnail. Let's go ahead and open her up here. Okay. What on earth? Well, the milling is beautiful. Oh, wait, is this the Kitefin? Yeah, that's what this is. Hold on, let's confirm on the box. Are we not, can we not confirm it on the box? I feel like Wees always say, don't they? Don't they usually say on the box what it is? Well, I'm like 99% sure that this is the Kitefin. Everybody said it's a super thin blade. So everybody's been saying that the Kitefin is like a Civivi, but with a Wee build. You know, like the feeling of a Wee. And anybody who's not handled a Wee knife or a Civivi knife or has handled just a Civivi knife, Wee knives generally have a little bit more heft. They have a little bit of a higher quality feeling to them all the way around. Usually titanium, carbon fiber, mixed between the two, sometimes some G10 in there. There's a little bit extra, you know, zest that goes into it. And that is exactly what this feels like. Now, I believe the price tag is also somewhere in between too. So you're not necessarily getting a titanium Civivi knife for a Wee price. I think you're getting a titanium Civivi knife with some Wee fit and finish. That's not to say that Civivi doesn't do it well. I mean, they're the same company. But you're getting it for kind of an in-between price. And what you are getting here is a knife that's a really nice, thin, compact design, but still a full-size knife. Beautiful and ergonomic, and that nice, this blade is like, has Civivi written all over it. It's just like a combination of every Civivi knife put together, and then you've got a nice, generous forward choil. Look how thin the blade stock is. Goodness. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we have a laser beam, people. My camera's like, where's the edge? It's there. Good Lord. Well, that's interesting. That'll be a fun one to take a look at. Guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.